Hi guys, I just wanted to put a bit of an introduction to this video because the footage you'll see was taken about 2 weeks ago before the UK went on lockdown because of the coronavirus. And I just wanted to say I wish everybody all the best out there who's struggling. Difficult times for all of us, we've all got to make some sacrifices. One of mine is staying at home and I love to get out there taking photos, but I'm still going to bring you something. I'm still going to bring you things on this channel. Gonna have to come up with some new ideas, but I'm hoping, I've got a few ideas that I can still continue to do the channel and bring you some good stuff. So stay tuned, don't go away, and in the meantime, stay safe, stay home, and enjoy this video.
Good morning. Well, it wasn't my intention to do much vlogging today, to be honest, and I probably won't do a massive amount, but I just wanted to probably share some images with you today. Come down this morning, gorgeous morning again, just sitting in one of my favourite little spots by a small pond, and so much going on around us. And we've got the great crested grebes are on the small pond, so hopefully we'll have some nice images of those. And we've got about 4 or 5 spotted woodpeckers just flying around chasing each other. So one of my challenges is going to be, let's see if we can get a shot of those in flight. That's not going to be easy because they're pretty fast, and they don't fly in a straight line, which makes it quite difficult sometimes. But yeah, I'm going to give that a go. So we're going to go for the spotted woodpeckers. We've got the grebes. We'll get a couple more images of the grebes, and yeah, anything else that turns up. I've seen the kingfisher go past as well. So you never know, the kingfisher might stop for us and pay a little visit. So I don't intend this to be a very long vlog, although sometimes I say that and they do turn into a longer vlog. Yeah, we'll pull up a few images and hopefully you like them. So let's see, just see what turns up really. Just had a flock of long tailed tits just flying in and out of this tree above us here. Almost impossible to video them because they just move around, flit around so quick. But yeah, nice to see, and hopefully got a few shots. There's a few little blue tits in there as well in the tree, so that was quite nice. I think we've got a just over the sort of left-hand side over here somewhere at the moment. A little reed bunting up in the tree, so let's see if we can get something of that as well. So I've sat here for long enough now that the birds are really getting used to me. You can see just to the side of me here is a Long Tailed Tit just preening in the bushes. Absolutely brilliant. I mean, they don't sit around for very long normally, so to actually see that is pretty good. Cute little birds, cute little bundles of fluff. Absolutely great. Great to see. That's the first time I've really caught one on video. There's a heron here which has been here quite regularly. It doesn't seem too frightened of people. You see the guys, every time the heron looks the other way, a bit like musical statues, they just creep a little bit closer as they get to him. I'm not sure which is more amusing to watch, the heron or the guys actually trying to creep a little bit closer all the time. I have to say my videos are unplanned at the best of times. You know, I do sometimes come down with something in mind, but this morning just absolutely nothing in mind really, just sitting here. So I don't even know what's going to be in this video. I've taken shots, I've taken video. It's probably going to be as much a surprise to me as it is to you when I actually see the video, because there's lots going on around here. It's absolutely great. The only thing we really want is a kingfisher to come and land for us now, but everything else, you know, the long-tailed tits, the blue tits, the grebes, you know, the woodpeckers, absolutely fantastic. You know, really unexpected morning, but that's what wildlife's all about, as I've said on so many occasions. So yeah, so look forward to, we've got a long-tailed tit just to the right of me here. You know, he can't be more than 10 feet away from me. If I turn around and shoot the camera, he'll go, but you know, he's just at the side. But yeah, so I don't know what's going to be in the video. You've probably seen most of it by now anyway, but at this stage I haven't got a clue. So I hope you like it. Click a like on the button below if you do like it for me, that'd be great. And if you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe. And hopefully I've brought you some nice images. That's my main objective with all these, and if I've done that, then that's a thumbs up from me as well. So have a great day and stay safe out there, guys, because it's really difficult times, and you know, my heart goes out to anybody who's struggling out there. So stay safe, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye for now.